Digital land survey equipment is designed for following works: digital surveys to make maps and engineering plans, boundary surveys, area survey, topographic survey, road and canal survey, layout preparation, contour survey, partition and open space development for recreation parks and landscaping. Digital land survey equipment is an assembly of following components available in the open market. Number 1. Drawing board mounted on a stand. Drawing sheet is pinned on the board to make the spot drawing the ground objects. Number 2. Sighting vane to draw rays to ground objects. Number 3. U-fork to transfer ground point on the drawing sheet. Number 4. Laser meter with table mounted stand. Number 5. Ranging rods with display card to make the station. Number 6. Shogun Soft Tap code S1 to process the field data. Number 7. Office computer to process field data and make drawing. Working procedure. Number 1. Key plan of the area to be surveyed is made on Google Map of field reconnaissance of the spot by physical inspection. Number 2. Mark the traverse of instrument stations to take field observations. Number 3. Place the instrument on the selected station, say O, and draw rays to all objects marked with ranging poles with the help of the sighting vane. Number 4. Distance to each ranging pole display card is observed on the laser meter. Number 5. Horizontal and vertical distances are computed using Shogun Soft Tap code S1. Cost comparison. Digital land survey equipment has replaced the functions of 3 survey instruments presently in use. Number 1. Theodolite. Number 2. Auto level. Number 3. The total station. Market price of above 3 instruments varies from 10 to 25 lakh rupees. On the other hand, digital land survey equipment assembly costs only 1 lakh rupees. Hence, appreciable saving on instrument cost is apparent. The working with present instrument is very tedious and technical graduates are required to operate them. DLSE assembly can be operated by undergraduates after little training. This is appreciable time saving in the field work in case of DLSE assembly. Target market. DLSE assembly is useful in the following areas. Number 1. All engineers and architects professionals. Number 2. Government engineering departments carrying out land surveys for making maps and plans. Number 3. Engineering colleges having civil engineering department. Number 4. Revenue department, Patwari map making. Number 5. Consultant groups developing and designing BOT, build, operate and transfer projects for execution of social welfare projects. Marketing network. Following people are employed in the setting of the marketing network of DLSE assembly. Number 1. Dealers and sub-dealers may approach for the sale of equipment. They need to set franchise center also for the training. Number 2. Management trainee are employed at each franchise center.
इस वीडियो में स्वरोजगार प्रशिक्षण और सरकारी नौकरी पाने के लिए नए AI ट्रेड्स की जानकारी प्रस्तुत है। प्रत्येक ट्रेड में प्रशिक्षण केवल 3 महीने का है। कोई भी स्नातक ट्रेनिंग के लिए अपनी रुचि का ट्रेड चुन सकता है। ट्रेनिंग के बाद प्रवीणता प्रमाण पत्र दिया जाता है। प्रशिक्षित लोगों को सरकारी विभागों में नौकरी मिल सकती है, अन्यथा वे अपना खुद का उद्यम शुरू कर सकते हैं, जिसके लिए सभी प्रकार का सहयोग दिया जाता है। इसलिए डिग्री मिलने के बाद लोगों को सरकारी नौकरी पाने के लिए किसी भी प्रतियोगी परीक्षाओं की तैयारी में समय और कोचिंग के लिए धन बर्बाद करने की आवश्यकता नहीं है। अधिक जानकारी के लिए शारदा प्रिंटर छत्तीसगढ़ से संपर्क करें। स्क्रीन पर मोबाइल नंबर दिया है। कृपया चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें।